Starting a successful laundromat business can be a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs who are interested in the service industry. However, there are several key steps you need to take in order to ensure your business is set up for success. At number 1 is conduct market research. Before you start your laundromat business, it is important to conduct market research to determine if there's demand for your services in the area you plan to operate in. You should analyze your competition, their pricing, and their services to ensure you can differentiate yourself. At number 2 is write a business plan. A business plan will help you organize your thoughts and ensure that you have a clear vision for your laundromat. You should include details on your business structure, marketing strategies, funding sources, and operating expenses. At number 3 is secure funding. Once you have a solid business plan in place, you will need to secure funding to launch your laundromat. This may involve securing loans from banks, pitching to investors, or using your own personal savings. At number 4 is choose the right location. The location of your laundromat is critical to its success. You want to choose a location that is easily accessible, has ample parking, and is in a high-traffic area. You should also ensure that the location is zoned for commercial use. At number 5 is purchase equipment. The most important part of your laundromat is the equipment. You will need to purchase commercial-grade washers and dryers, change machines, and other equipment necessary for the operation of your business. At number 6 is hire staff. You may need to hire staff to help manage your laundromat. Depending on the size of your business, you should look for individuals who are reliable, trustworthy, and have experience in the service industry. At number 7 is develop marketing strategies. Once your laundromat is up and running, you will need to develop marketing strategies to attract customers. This may include advertising in local publications, offering promotions or discounts, and leveraging social media. Starting a successful laundromat business takes careful planning, hard work, and dedication. By following these steps, you can set your business up for success and achieve your entrepreneurial dreams.